Imagine your car suddenly needs a big repair, or an unexpected medical bill lands on your kitchen table. That knot in your stomach, that immediate panic. Most of us have felt it. It is the fear of being caught without a financial safety net.
For many, the idea of an emergency fund sounds big and overwhelming, something only for people with a lot of money. It feels like a vague, distant goal, making you feel stuck or even anxious just thinking about it. You know you need one, but where do you even begin? The stress can make you put it off, leaving you vulnerable to life's curveballs.
Let us make this simple and think about it differently. Instead of just an emergency fund, we are going to build your financial fortress. Think of it as constructing strong walls around your life, protecting you and your family from unexpected storms. Every single dollar you save is a brick, making those walls taller and stronger. Your first, most important goal is to build a fortress with enough bricks for 3 months of your essential living expenses. This is not about a grand castle, just a strong, secure shelter. Your first, most important goal is to build a fortress with enough bricks for 3 months of your essential living expenses. This is not about a grand castle, just a strong, secure shelter. Your first step in building this fortress is to know what you are protecting. This means figuring out your essential monthly costs. What do you absolutely need to pay each month to keep a roof over your head, food on the table, and the lights on? Things like rent or mortgage, basic groceries, utilities, and transportation.
Let us say, for example, your essential costs add up to $2,500 a month.
To build your 3-month fortress, you need to save $7,500. This is the target, your first strong wall. The next step is gathering your bricks. How do you find an extra few $100s each month? This is where small, consistent actions make a huge difference. You might automate a small transfer of $50 or $100 from your checking account to a separate savings account every payday. You could look at your subscriptions and cut back on 1 or 2. Perhaps you make a few more meals at home instead of eating out. Every time you consciously save, you are adding a brick. Remember, even a small $20 brick helps build the wall. It does not have to be painful. It just has to be consistent. This is education, not personal financial advice. Once you have gathered those bricks, where do you keep them so they are safe, but also easy to access if you need them? Your fortress funds should be kept in a separate, easily accessible place, like a high-yield savings account. This is not for investing. It is for safety. You want it somewhere that does not have big ups and downs, but still earns a little bit more than a regular checking account. This way, your bricks are safe and your walls are secure, but you can get to them quickly if a storm hits. The unexpected insight here is that building your financial fortress is not just about the money. It is about reclaiming control and reducing anxiety. It is realizing that you can create a shield against life's financial surprises, even if you start small. This process empowers you, giving you the quiet confidence that comes from knowing you have a plan. It is not a burden you have to build, but a freedom you get to build for yourself. Your first 3-month emergency fund is the most powerful psychological step you can take for your financial future. So your action step today is simple. Figure out your essential monthly expenses. Then commit to automating even a small amount to start building your own financial fortress. Take that first step towards stronger financial walls.
Take that first step towards stronger financial walls.